the classification of HS2 as an England and Wales project does have long-term consequences. As far as the statement of funding policy, the Treasury is concerned, it does have an added weighting, and the comparability factor for DfT spending now, including rail, for Wales, does have an impact, and sadly a negative impact, because of HS2's classification. So looking to the future, does she think there is a case of, very nicely, requesting the Treasury to look again at this, even if it is the case that they only apply it to future spending on HS2, because at the moment, estimates are, I think, up to £80 billion worth now for HS2. There's a real risk that because of its classification, it'll squeeze Wales' ability to get rail funding.
You know, for the sake of repeating myself, I don't think we should derive our future based solely on what has happened with HS2 in the past. You know,
No, I appreciate that, and that's not what I'm trying to say. Forgive me. No, I'm saying that
phase one is being completed. The latest Welsh Government estimate of the money that's been spent would have, had it been classified differently, attracted a consequential of £350 million. You know, there are lots of figures that have been talked about over previous years, but what we do know is that only phase one of HS2 is being built. Phase two has been abandoned by the last government. It's not going to happen.